Hey everyone, I am super stoked to tell you about something fun I'm doing for the month of January. Let's get through these holidays. It's called a color assessment. Now, if you haven't done one of these with me, essentially I've done some extra training on how to work with makeup in accordance with your season. Okay, fall, winter, spring, that kind of thing. Okay. And so with that being said, it's really fun. I have a program that I use. You send me a picture of yourself with no makeup on, and I need to be able to see your eye color and hair color. And then I figure out what your season is, and I come and teach you how to do your makeup based on that season. Because if this is cute, this is cute. And it also teaches you a little bit more about what colors are your neutrals, what colors you might want to wear when you're out shopping, like what are your best shades. Because I look great in blue, for instance, okay? And I have on a blue jean jacket, and that looks really nice on me, but I'm not going to put this color on my eye is an eyeshadow from lash line to brow. And so if you're just thinking like, I want to start the new year off with a fresh slate, a fresh palette, let's make it your palette, your color wheel, and set up today with me a color assessment. It's free, it's fun. You can do it solo or as a group. And of course, I love getting to see my new clients in a new, or get to see all my clients in a new year. So with that being said, you guys, let me know. I'm going to post my availability, and I hope that you're one of the first ones to grab a date.